guys, it's Hannah here, and today I wanted to show you my most recent planner setup that I have been in for a couple of weeks now, and I'm actually really happy with this setup. It is what I like to call a winter galaxy theme, and it is based on the, let's see, it must be the either November or December Happy Scrappy planner kit. And it's a lot of, you already see a lot of the colors here. I found some items that match a lot and I love, and I added some other little goodies that matched as well, a lot from Simply Gilded. So let's just jump into it. So here we go. All right, so this is how it looks like when you open my planner. Also, I forgot to say, but this is my pale pink kikki.K medium or personal sized planner. I've had this one for I think almost 2 years now, and it's been very well used recently. I've loved being in this planner. This soft pink goes with a lot of setups I do, so I've stayed in this one for quite a while. Either way, so I have also used quite a lot of items from let's see, it must be the September 2018 Simply Gilded box, which was called Rockstars and had a lot of this hollow and like galaxy pastel-y goodness in it. So this notepad, which is quite dominant in the pockets here, is from that very box. It's gorgeous. It's like I don't know, it's like a crystal theme, or very, very beautiful. And up here is a little bow paperclip that I also got from a Happy Scrappy kit that was a long time ago. I can't remember, but it's really pretty. Also has like some shimmery glitter at the center, which is really nice, and the colors just match perfectly. And then here I have a little washi sample card out of the washes that came mostly in the, let's see, the Simply Gilded 12 days of Simply Gilded love advent like calendar that from 2019, and it's really pretty. And so I took a lot of items that from different kits that just really matched together, which was really nice. Down here we have a little it's like a magnetic pin. So on the back it's nothing, there's a magnet down under there, so it sticks there. This one I also got from a Happy Scrappy kit, and I love the illustrations in this kit, and I love this little pin so much. There's some sparkle in that, I don't know if you can see. And there's just a old silver heart paperclip from kikki.K, I think. Then I do have some items at the back here. Oh, there's more here than I thought it was. Oops. I always forget to check what I have there. I should be more practical or functional when it comes to what I put back there, but for decoration mostly I put these seals here that also came with the Rockstars Simply Gilded box. But this one I was hoping I could use some more, and I think that usually I put things here that I want to use in my planner. I end up forgetting most of the time. Either way, these I've had in my previous setup too, and I still haven't used them. Bad Hannah, bad Hannah. But these I got from Mommy Lay. These are really cute and wintry, so I should use them. But yeah. Then I have another one, I think from my previous setup too. Still haven't used. I'm bad at it. I suck. And then here's just some notes. I guess if I wanted to write somebody a note. These are from Kate Spade. They're really cute. And then it's just some big bad stickers from that Happy Scrappy kit that you will see a lot of with some really cute animals. So that's what I keep back there. And now getting into the rings or the inserts. All the dividers are made from papers from Happy Scrappy, and most of those papers came with that. I think it must be November box. I don't think I have received the December one yet. But it kind of inspired this whole setup. This setup came together very naturally, but it wasn't really planned, which was kind of fun. So I just pulled out a bunch of things that matched in my stash, and I ended up really loving the turnout. So that's really fun. So on the dashboard, I have these gorgeous holographic acetate or like plastic die cut that I also got with Happy Scrappy kit, the same kit that this little one came from. I think the illustration is made by another illustrator. I don't know their name, but I love their work. So this one says, "Life is tough, my darling, but so are you." And I love the gorgeous hollow foiling. And this is just some motivation that at the time I needed, and I love it as well. And it's kind of a cool effect with the see-through too. And then this is actually the first divider. I did not make a separate dashboard this time. But I love this like watercolor effect with the stars and the snowflakes, just perfect. This was weekly, and I love the back as well. All these colors, once again, I just love how this all turned out. It makes me so happy to flip through. And then I have some vellum from another Happy Scrappy kit. I think this was in my previous setup too. And here's just some stickers that I've gotten in kikki.K planners. I want to use them, and I just always forget to, but I always keep them in my planner. So if I ever want to add something fun, I'm able to. And this is from their newest cute collection. Oh, usually at the very front here, I keep my personal information. So if my planner gets lost, there's like contact info and stuff. I always take that out for setups though, because I can't show you that anyway. And then these inserts, I actually got a pack of these inserts from my dear friend Desley of Desley Jane Plans, both on Instagram and YouTube. If you're watching this, hi Desley, thank you so much again. These are really good because the pack comes with like here, International Public Holidays. It's good to know because I have friends all over the world. And then there's also here like 2020 and 2021 yearly overview, also very functional stuff that I didn't have before. And then there's the monthly inserts. So these are just regular kikki.K dated inserts, but I need a place to be able to jot down quickly when things come up on a certain date. And I haven't really had a good place for that because it's always been undated because I take it as it comes and I want to decorate and all that stuff. But I need a place to just jot down quickly, and it doesn't have to be all neat. The good thing about these inserts is that they're already kind of a little bit decorated and cute. So it's not as much need to make them cute. Either way, I just got this in January, so I might not fill in that much because it's not that much left. But February, I've added some things. Also adding like the week numbers because I always forget, oh, what week is it? So it's good for me to have. And then I just have the whole year in here. So whenever something comes up, I'm gonna put it in here. And the second divider we have here is weekly. And I added some more die cuts from that same set. Here's a little Polaroid camera and some washi stack. Gorgeous. I love this so much. Then here I have some vellum. This actually came with, I think it was the November Simply Gilded box. Super pretty confetti vellum that I cut to fit this size of planner. Here it says, it's in Swedish, but it says weekly view. I just added some Simply Gilded sticker and washi. And let's see. Oh yeah, so here's my Erin Condren sized, personal sized inserts. These are from, oh my gosh, Jan Web Designs. Sorry, that's the name. It's a Swedish insert shop. And here's all my previous weeks. I like to keep the previous weeks in just because I love to flip through them. If I need inspiration or if I'm bored or just, you know, stuff like that. So I like to keep them in here. And this was last week and it turned out really cute. It's the same sticker kit that the Happy Scrappy kit with the same papers and stuff that you've already seen. And I love this colorway so much and all the hollow. And this is where the upcoming week is gonna be. Here I have a little page marker. This, I don't know why, but it should be here. This is actually a washi card from Simply Gilded that I just punched holes in to use as a page marker. And it's actually worked really well for that purpose, and I'm happy that I thought of that because I have quite a few of those washi cards. Here we have the third divider. which is, it says bills. This is also Happy Scrappy paper, but it came with a separate kit. Luckily, Sam of Happy Scrappy has her favorite things and a certain style, so a lot of times you can find in previous kits things that match with the newer kits. And I love to pull in things from all different places and make a theme in my planner. Makes me really happy to mix and match. So this one fit really well, so I pulled that in. And on the back I added a little die-cut penguin, which I thought was so cute. This little guy is adorable. And it says bills. I wanted to use the stickers that came with the kit. I didn't want to write with my own handwriting, because I don't know if you can see, but the it's blue foil, but it's like a shattered glass kind of foil. I don't think you can see, but the blue foiling is really pretty and I wanted to use it. But this is actually what I would call my home section, but because home wasn't on the selected stickers, I took the closest one, and bills, it does have bills and stuff in here, so I might as well put that. Here's also Vellum from Happy Scrappy. And I don't know, is there stuff I can show you here? There's to-do list, what I'm gonna do. Here's, it says, things to do when you don't know what to do. Sometimes, especially when I'm in my dorm room at school, it's like sometimes if I don't have anything to do in the evenings and stuff, I sit and I'm like, I'm so bored, I wanna do something, but I don't know what to do. Sometimes I just forget all the things that I can do and I enjoy doing, and I'm like, I don't have anything to do, but I do have always things to do. I can always play with my planner, I can do some Bible journaling, which I have just kind of started doing and I'm new to. There's lots of books that I want to read, bullet journaling. There's also all kinds of stuff that I can do, but I always forget. So I decided to just write them all down so that when I forget what I can do, I know where to turn. Oh, there was a different section here. Okay, this is also new. I only have a couple of sheets of these, but these also came with the kikki.K inserts that Desley gave me. Thank you so much again, Desley. This one says expenses. I haven't used it yet. It's really new to me. I want to try to track my expenses more. Because I've been really bad at that, and right now it's something I feel like I have to get better at. So that's why I just put a couple of those in so I can try it out and see how it goes. Then we have, I love this paper so much. It was so pretty with the houses. This, let's see, 4th tab is school. This is correct, because this is my school tab. And I have some more cute little die cuts here. Some little mugs and stuff, super pretty. Some more vellum from Happy Scrappy. Ooh, and I can't really show you what's underneath, I just realized, because there's some like sensitive info for school. Then I have like homework and stuff, and here's a little clip from Pen Gems. So I'm currently in Bible school, in case you didn't know. So here's some more stuff that has to do with school. I can't really show you. It's a lot of personal info or info about other people that I can't really show. So I forgot to take that out, sorry. And then just some more note paper for that purpose. And then the next tab is work, which is also correct. This is my work tab. And then here I have some more pretty of those acetate die cuts. On here it says, be you, do you, for you, which is really nice. And this girl looks so satisfied in just being, or being herself. And I really like that. So I thought that her whole pose was so, I don't know, inspiring. So I wanted to have her somewhere. And in here's I have an acetate from Simply Gilded, super cute. And there's some ideas and inspiration for work. Here's some Hannah's Haven videos I want to do for this channel. My whole work is kind of, I guess, on pause mostly, since I'm a full-time student right now. But I add stuff that I could be working on right now, or future plans, we'll see. But there's not that much right here right now. Then the second to last, sorry, it is the last tab. This one says tracker. I'm not really sure. Okay, so this is basically just random. I don't know why I put tracker. It could be anything on here. But I have a pretty, it's like a TN die cut. And some more vellum from Happy Scrappy. So here's also some of the new inserts I got from Desley. This one says birthdays and anniversaries. This is something I've always wanted to have in my planner, to just add in like all the people that, like the people I'm closest to, not just like Facebook friends, more like, well, family, I do know their birthdays, but other people, I'm not good at remembering dates and stuff, so it's good for me to have a place to turn for that sort of thing. And I haven't filled it out yet, once again, because I kind of just got these, and I think I'll take it a little at a time, little by little. I love this vellum from Happy Scrappy too. And then this one, this section is addresses, which is also new. Also, this clip I got as a freebie from Inspired Life Studios. The colors really fit, and I love the sparkly effect on this one. Once again, I haven't filled it in. This is something I really have thought about adding for a long time. I have never owned an address book, but I have some friends I want to have address to, because sometimes I want to send maybe like a birthday card or I don't know, a gift, or like, you know. And once again, I have a lot of like international friends, and I can't always, I don't know, I find it hard to search for international addresses online. I don't really know where to turn. But if you know a place where you can search for international addresses, let me know. As long as they're in Sweden, it's not a problem. But whenever I try to find an international address, it's hard. I don't know why, but it is. So that's good for me to have as well. Then at the very back, I have some sticky notes. These are really cute Mochi Kichi ones, and I have a page lifter as well. This is the same one I had in my previous planner. Also has a pocket here. I don't have anything in this pocket right now, but either way, that's really the end. I have the notepad that came with the planner in case I want to jot something down quickly. I should be better at using this, because a lot of times something happens in schools, a teacher says some important info and I should write it down immediately to put in my planner, and this is a perfect place to do that, but I always forget that it exists. I don't know why, I'm so used to having it here. Do you have any tips for me to just be better at using my planner? Because I always forget to use the stuff I have. It's so bad. I don't know why I'm like this, but either way. And then the pen I chose, since this is like a galaxy theme, mostly in this planner, I picked my galaxy themed or more like constellations themed, simply gilded pen. Has an engraved bow at the top, so it's like shimmery white with a bunch of constellations and stars on it. Super pretty. I just thought it matched and worked really well. I did want to have this pen in because this one would fit absolutely perfectly if you look at the colors. This is a Pen Gems and Simply Gilded collaboration pen, but the only problem is that the ink is ballpoint 0.7. Not my favorite to write with. I much prefer like 0.5 gel, which these come with originally. But either way, I am loving this setup, and I don't know, I've added things that like new inserts that, and I'm excited to use them because I feel like it's gonna make this planner more functional for me personally. Either way, this was supposed to be kind of a short video, but I feel like it turned out to be kind of long anyway. If that's the case, I apologize, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!